Hey guys, for this video I thought we would take a quick look at this 12-volt car vacuum cleaner with accessory kit that I picked up on Amazon. It is listed currently as a best seller, so I thought, hey, let's check it out and see if it's really all that good. First thing I do have to point out is the brand name. THISWORX. That's actually a pretty good brand name. We have all seen the names that you cannot even pronounce the word in English. THISWORX. I got it. I know exactly what it says, and if people ask, hey, does this work? This works. I like it. Okay, so we get the vacuum itself. It is a very simple design. Obviously, it is corded. We have a simple on-off switch at the top. You have this button here to release the canister. It comes with a pre-installed filter, and you can just slap it back on like so, and you are ready to go there. We'll get a length on this cord here in a second, but it has your regular 12-volt accessory cigarette lighter type plug. Now, as I showed you, it does come with a zip-up bag. Really plain, nothing special about it. You got a handle on the top, but there's no pockets or anything on the inside. But this thing comes with a few accessories, so you can get the accessories in there. Keep them all in one place so you don't lose them. We have a little extension crevice tool we can slap on the end there. We also have a little brush, same thing, slap it on there. We have a cleaning brush. Also comes with a little air freshener that says have a nice day. That was a cute addition. We have the owner's manual if you need to check that out. It comes with a replacement filter. And we get the little bendy hose that we can put at the end. Let's see, I know only one of these fits on here. Let's go to this one. So I really appreciate the bendy hose because this thing's not like huge, but it's big enough that it won't be able to get into some spots even with the crevice tool. So like getting under your seats or getting into different corners, we're just going to slap these two things together somehow. And there we go. We get our crevice tool on the end of a bendy and everything's beautiful. Measured the cord real quick. 16 feet. It's a long cord. Well, let's go out to the truck, do a little vacuuming. Out at the truck, got it plugged in. We're going to turn it on, see how it does. The instructions say it has better suction with the car running, so sure, why not? Not too loud, that's good. Yeah, not too bad for about 30 seconds of vacuuming. I think it works pretty good. I'm freezing. Time to go inside. Thanks for watching.